In January 1980, the Mauna Loa Observatory recorded a carbon dioxide level of 338 parts per million. Over the years, the average reading has increased by about 1.515 parts per million each year. What is the expected carbon dioxide level in January 2030? Round to the nearest integer. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, how many years pass? From January 1980 to January 2030 is exactly 50 years. Each year adds 1.515 parts per million. So over 50 years the total increase is 1.515 times 50, which equals 75.75 parts per million. Now add that increase to the starting level. 338 plus 75.75 equals 413.75. Rounding 413.75 to the nearest integer gives 414 parts per million, which is answer choice B.